Previously on Scarborough Couple. It's time for our November pop-in-a-box mystery box. But the strange thing is about this one is they've only, like normally we get two, they've only sent us one. Yeah. So apparently the second one is coming from America. No idea when that's going to be getting here. So this is going to be a part one, which is why in the video name it says part one. So when that arrives, we're going to do that one. So this is part two of a video we started last week where we only got one half of our pop-in-a-box mystery box. And today we got the second one. Part two. That's come all the way from America. Which usually they do because our early ones came from America. Some come from the UK. Anyway, as soon as I unboxed the previous one, which if you remember was
Deadpool as Bob Ross.
Deadpool as Bob Ross.
It was that good.
Yes, I sort of forgotten. So now Joanne's going to unbox Pop 2 from the mystery box.
And what do we need?
The cutter!
The cutter.
Oh, cutter!
It's scary. Sure it's not. not Right, I'll open it this way. Do you not want to pull it?
I'm not. No. This is all you. All you. We do.
Oh, it's not in bubble wrapper. Are we sure it's
Oh.
not?
It's not Mufasa. We do. We have pre-ordered the special edition Mufasa, but I don't think it's that. Well, no, because it's not classed. It's not come up as even been dispatched yet. So.
Don't look.
Oh, it's not going to be damaged.
It's not in bubble wrap or anything.
The tension. Yeah, but if it was Becky Lynch, that was fine, but that was Amazon, wasn't it?
Right, that's the front.
Okay.
That's the top. Are you ready? Like, I'll be upside down, I'm not sure. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. What? Have you not just ordered that?
No!
Really?
It's mystery box, Jojo. Mystery box.
Really? I was going to ask for this for Christmas. I hope you haven't got me it for Christmas.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Are you sure you didn't get me it for Christmas?
I didn't get you it for Christmas.
Have you got me it for Christmas?
No, because last time I saw that it said out of stock. So I thought it had vaulted.
Are you sure?
Because I was looking for it and it said out of stock. That must have been on the big list that they did where it was like they've got stock in.
I wanted this one.
That was worth the wait. Are we even showing people?
Oh, sorry. It's empty to go with my Garfield collection that I've already got.
Oh God, the reflection.
Yeah, you can't see it very well.
Yeah, we've got both Garfields.
Are you sure you've not ordered me this for Christmas by mistake?
No,
and I've
of course
opened
not.
it as a mystery box. We've got both Garfields.
Spoiler alert, you're not getting any pops for Christmas.
Yeah, no.
I think that's worth the wait.
It was. High five.
Although we do fist bumps now.
Oof.
Because we are cool and hip and trendy and down with the children.
Ooh. Oh, excellent.
And like last time, we'll take him out of the box, give him a spin.
Ow.
I think this time I will actually take pictures though because the quality isn't great.
Are you sure I can take him out the bum?
We don't need to do it right now because we have one more.
Oh, we do. I'll be taking him out of the box while you do that one.
Okay.
There's the colours. Oh, we don't know about price of this.
We'll do that in a sec.
Yeah.
This is just one that came today that I ordered from eBay. It's actually a replacement one to one that I stupidly sold. So I know exactly what this is. Okay, so this is.
Oh, it's in a protector. So we get
It did say it was going to be in a protector. There you go. Foolishly, oh God, the reflection's terrible. Foolishly sold him before because someone on one of the Facebook groups was looking for him, and I thought, oh, I can make a bit of profit on that, and then instantly regretted it. So now I've got him again.
There's a few marks on it, okay?
He's in a protector, so I'm probably not going to take him out of box to show. Although I might do. There.
There you go. It's because he's got a stand with him.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's not going to balance. Okay, don't put him on the table. He's not going to balance.
There you go. I'm just going to show him for the camera. And...
Odie. Cool.
Odie. Right, let's have a look at Joker.
Should we? Just to have a look.
Oh, it's not on. Well, the pop protector's not on properly.
Okay.
Not pop protector Joe. Oh, it is. It's pop protector Joe.
Wouldn't it be hilarious if this is the guy that bought it from me on Facebook, right?
And sold it
that
back?
sold it on eBay. Stranger things have happened.
Is that the same Joker? The Dark Knight trilogy?
Yeah, same one. In a PP Joe. I reckon I bought my own one back, you know.
Did I?
Do you know what? I'm not going to unbox it now because I feel like it needs to be done very carefully, especially with protectors on there, and I don't just want to rip them open. So at the end of the video, I'll put some better pictures up of Odie, and I'll also put some pictures up of them. But that's it.
It is?
That is the November mystery box.
Yes.
Finally finished.
Finally got Odie.
Finally. Whoosh. Down and hip and all the children's stuff. But also, apparently December, popinabox are going to be sending out festive pops if you've got them on your I Want This list. And I've got quite a lot of Christmas ones. So we'll see. But our next video, we promised this several times.
We'll do the flocked one.
Yeah, we will touch a flocked pop.
Did you flop?
Yeah. So we don't know. Well, we'll film that either later today or tomorrow when we got time. So anyway, thanks for watching this.
Now, I've been Joe.
And I've been Sean.
Sean.
And we are Scarborough Couple.
Yeah.
If you like what you see, that's such a hit. That line. If you like what you see, subscribe.
Like
Just subscribe. Support the smaller people on YouTube like us. Support.
Bye.
Bye.